Discovered files with an LKU extension and a ransom note on your system? This is a file encrypted by the Locky Ransomware family. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what to do if your files are infected. We're tackling this LKU file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. A user finds LKU files after their computer has been infected by the Locky ransomware. Their personal documents, photos, and other data have been encrypted and are now inaccessible. The user is searching for a way to recover their files, often looking for a decryption tool or information on the ransomware itself. The LKU file is not a designed format, but the result of a malicious process. The original file's binary data is overwritten using a strong encryption algorithm, like AES or RSA. The file is renamed with the LKU extension to signify its encrypted state, preventing standard programs from opening it and alerting the user to the attack. For LKU, the most practical first step is using Locky Ransomware. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows cannot bypass encryption, so proper access requires supplying the correct key. To open this specific LKU file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Locky Ransomware is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If the LKU file is still refusing to open, it's expected. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, isolating the system. Immediately disconnect the affected computer from the network and any external storage to prevent the ransomware from encrypting additional files or spreading to other systems. Document the ransom note and a sample LKU file for forensic analysis and recovery efforts. Next, identifying the variant. Visit ID Ransomware or No More Ransom and upload an LKU file along with the ransom note to confirm the specific Locky variant. Some ransomware families have decryption tools released by security researchers that can recover files without paying the ransom demanded by attackers. Finally, restoring from backup. Wipe the affected system completely and restore from a clean backup made before the infection date. Avoid paying the ransom, as payment encourages future attacks and does not guarantee file recovery, and report the incident to local law enforcement and cybersecurity authorities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.